Maya, I made a big mistake yesterday.
Oh, no, what happened?
I was talking to someone in English, and I wanted to say, I am very bored. But I said, I am very boring.
Oh,
And then the person looked at me.
let me guess.
He said, oh, okay, and stopped talking.
That is awkward.
Very awkward,
This is a small mistake,
but it changes the meaning completely.
and this happens to many learners every day. You know English, but small mistakes create confusion.
So today we will fix these mistakes. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I am Alex.
And I am Maya. We're very happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is very important.
Yes, stop making common English mistakes.
These are small mistakes, but they make a big difference. We will show real examples.
Simple corrections and easy ways to remember them.
If you enjoy this episode, please subscribe, and share it with your friends.
It really helps us grow. All right, let us begin.
Let's start with the most common mistake. I am boring.
The correct sentence is, I am bored.
I am bored means you feel tired or not interested. I am boring means you are not interesting. Okay, let's have a mini dialogue.
How was the movie?
I am bored.
Oh no. Wait, that is wrong.
The correct sentence is, I was bored.
Much better. Next mistake.
I did a mistake. The correct sentence here is, I made a mistake.
We say make a mistake, not do a mistake.
Yesterday, I made a mistake at work.
What happened?
I sent the wrong email.
Okay. Now a very common one. I am having a doubt.
The correct sentence for this is, I have a question. In English, we do not say, I have a doubt in our daily conversation. Once I said this in a meeting.
What happened?
Everyone became confused.
That is why simple is better. Now introduction mistake. Myself, Maya.
You can use, my name is Maya, or I am Maya. Again, let's have a mini dialogue on this.
Hello. Myself, Maya.
Not correct. The correct sentence is, hello, I am Maya.
Another common mistake is, I am agree.
Here the correct sentence is, I agree. We do not need am.
Now grammar mistake. He do not know.
Here the correct sentence is, he does not know.
Simple tips for he, she, and it. Always use does.
And always use do for I, you, we as well as they.
Let us show a real confusion. I am not understand.
That is wrong. The correct sentence is, I do not understand.
Small change, big clarity. Do not feel bad about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
All right, Maya, let us continue.
Yes, another very common mistake. I am going to home.
Here the correct sentence is, I am going home.
We do not use to with word home.
Where are you going?
I am going home.
Perfect. Next mistake.
Let us discuss about this.
The correct sentence is, let us discuss this.
We don't use the word about.
Sometimes English adds extra words, and sometimes it removes them.
Yes, confusing. Now this one. I will return back.
The correct sentence is, I will return.
Return already means go back.
This is very common in emails. I will revert back.
Better say, I will reply, or I will get back to you.
Once I wrote, revert back in my email.
And
My boss corrected me.
that is how we learn. Now daily life mistake. Open the light.
The correct sentence is, turn on the light.
And the opposite.
Turn off the light.
Next one. I am passing time.
Better say, I am spending time. Or, I am relaxing.
This is interesting. I only ate rice.
This means you ate nothing else. But many learners mean, I ate rice only.
Be careful with only. Next mistake.
Today morning. The correct sentence is, this morning.
This morning I woke up early. Another one.
Yesterday night.
The correct sentence is, last night.
Now, plural mistake. One of my friend.
The correct sentence here is, one of my friends.
Because one of actually means many, so we use plural.
Do not try to speak perfect English. Try to speak clear English. Mistakes are normal. Correction is progress.
All right, Maya. Now it is time to use everything.
Yes, this is where mistakes become learning.
Let's start with a simple conversation. Myself, Alex. I am having a doubt.
Oh no, 2 mistakes already. Better example. My name is Alex. I have a question.
I am going home now.
Better example. I am going home now.
Now, office situation. I did a mistake in the report.
Better example. I made a mistake in the report.
I will revert back soon.
Better example. I will reply soon.
Now, daily life. Open the light.
Better example. Turn on the light.
I am passing time.
Better example. I am spending time.
Now, emotions. I am boring.
Better example. I am bored.
Let's do a full conversation. Hello, myself, Alex.
Not correct.
Oh, sorry. My name is Alex.
Better.
I am going home.
Again mistake.
I am going home.
Good.
I did a mistake today.
One more.
I made a mistake today.
Perfect.
I am having a doubt.
Oh no, again.
I have a question.
Now you sound natural.
See, practice works.
Let me tell you a short story. There was a learner named Roy. He knew English, but he made small mistakes. He said, Myself, Roy, I am having a doubt. I did a mistake.
Very common mistakes.
Then one day, he started correcting himself.
What did he do?
Every day, he practiced 5 correct sentences. Only 5, but every day. After 1 month, his English improved.
That is great.
Now your turn. Morning. Say 5 correct sentences. Afternoon. Use them in real life. Evening. Repeat them again.
Simple and effective.
Stand in front of a mirror and say, I speak clearly. I am improving every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. Say it with confidence.
Let us review. Do not say myself, Alex.
Say, my name is Alex. Do not say, I did a mistake.
Say I made a mistake.
Do not say, I am boring.
Say I am bored.
Do not say, I am going to home.
Say I am going home.
Small corrections.
Big improvement.
Now it is your turn.
Write one wrong sentence.
And correct it.
For example, I did a mistake. Correct it. I made a mistake.
We will read your comments. Mistakes are not your enemy.
They are your teachers. Every correction makes you stronger. Every sentence makes you better.
Also, practice activities for home, office, or while you are traveling are given in the description. Please check it.
Step by step,
Day by day.
you will improve.
See you in the next episode of English Tour.